got Thursday, beautiful. Well,
Well done.
we hope
Yes.
it's gonna be a beautiful. Them,
Yeah.
but Noah.
Okay.
Right. And to everyone tuning in this beautiful
Fine material.
morning.
Yeah.
Fine material may.
Yeah. And everybody joining this morning, good morning to everyone. We love you all.
We love you.
We love you. Thank you very much for your lives.
I love you.
Yeah. Melina Lebu all the way from Brisbane. Thank you very
morning,
much to the
Meli.
Netherlands family. John
Yeah.
Kumar. Iwane Betselala to Tabale, the only local soldier in the village.
Oi.
Bets Bill Ngalungalu.
Yeah.
Nakatungana Kemba. Mundre na mineral farm.
What another Mundre Mineral Farm.
Mundre mineral farm.
And I to you all.
And also to Joseph Tehana from the bus.
Yeah.
He is inside the bus right now.
Oh, the Turangari Bangori.
Yeah.
Turang Belech the Turangori.
Yeah, we welcome you.
All right, we keep it a bit with my Noah, you came from the village this morning.
Yes, I came from the village this morning, bought the minibus and...
Is it LM73?
No, not LM73, another LM... I don't
Minivan.
remember. Yes, just the minivan.
All right.
Sorry.
Make sure when you come in the morning, remember the number plate.
Okay.
So that we can
Don't
dedicate
worry.
back to the driver.
That will be my homework.
And we keep it in we talk about we keep it to all the students enjoying their school break. And we will know all the teachers enjoying also enjoying their break.
Yes.
Most of you are enjoying your break back in the villages.
Rusiate is really enjoying his break.
That's a teacher.
No,
Oy.
my son Rusiate.
Oh, you're Rusi.
Iyo, Rusiate. Na Noah,
Yeah.
he is able to no dan takimbitu.
Here.
O ko sana ka dondo saranga dampalo.
Be careful.
Oh,
Si.
samatay.
Maraw.
Maraw. Mani maraw lip sa tu kuno ko me. O kani ka roju me sa listello to kani ko.
Here. Abian Renre.
Sa Renre sa tu ni sa kami ni sangay nambala ni non rumisere gitu na koro.
Yeah.
Na no saranga ro sa kitararaw kinanta kay imbitu.
Yeah.
Ro rei da bulida pa binaka saranga.
Yeah.
Na no ro sa tarasa da bolo. Sa kerke roju.
Yeah.
Anta kay imbitu talanga. Me wonder that I'm son be milotok.
So I don't know, maybe today or tomorrow you have to buy 20 liters kerosene for
Oh no, that's a waste.
So, okay, there's no one I know mesongotan na kimbi to baka isulu.
Right.
Baka tagi dams. Doka do baka mo tagi kimbi to may nambuli ka namu.
Doka
Isulu sar nga mouth to mouth.
Me bulalawa. Ona numa me da kana me sini mga taga na isulu me da kalawada nga.
Luto na isulu baka tonga gori.
Yeah, come.
Still in the festive season now.
Right.
When there's a song going on this weekend, who should look after the kids?
It's double job.
Mike.
Ruwa.
Right.
Me raujo tao na non rau non tay tabi tao dok. Non daw ritabi me daw rei direto nangoni.
But Mama wants to go.
Mama, what's wrong with you?
Yeah.
If you want to go, we go together.
And the
Where
kids.
you want to go? If you look with your mama.
Bara songo.
Vele sombe.
Na songo na ite sombe.
Vele dance malambi.
Timboto.
E rosa rin tong bitong ilungo na ilo ndo rumbi na to himurgo ndo sa rin
So who do you think Eleanor should go? So, who should go and who should stay back and look after the kids?
Okay, I think they should take turn. Daddy should go
Whoa!
first. Daddy should go first.
Kaya galang ko ron di bakan to
Okay.
matakalilay.
Daddy should go first. From what time to what time?
From 9
7
o'clock
Okay.
to 12 o'clock. Come back home. And then
Midnight to dawn?
12 o'clock
To 6.
to 6 o'clock, mommy.
Saya nga
Okay.
tali.
What's your take on that? What do you think?
Before I take,
Yeah.
Matilda Peckham and Griffith Peckham, Benjamin Peckham, all the way from Australia, Simon Mbanuwe, John Kumar
Good
Thomas,
day,
na
mate.
Lumisa.
Yeah.
For myself,
Yeah.
better we talk to each other. First of all, better, ona mitiko.
Yeah.
Better mangali ba matimbong yo ta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So mommy should go first.
Iyo.
To the
Kasi nga
soccer.
daro sa to sango libat nga ni o tinga balili tulis tuli may setup.
Yes. That can work too. That
Yeah.
can work too.
But kaya because depend on the brightness of the mind.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
If brightness is there, communication is there, okay. You go now?
Yeah.
Don't worry, we will be here with the children.
But the big problem with daddy is
Yeah.
when mommy stand up to dance.
Yeah.
Daddy's
Then they keep
face,
looking.
yes,
Eh?
daddy's face
And
is
doing this
fixed,
kind of thing, see?
is fixed on mommy.
But some moves by mommy, that's the first thing I saw. So ganito mo kando sa na moves by mommy, siyempre mo din mo rin dala mo ni bali.
Okay. How about this?
Iyo.
Okay, how about this? you two go together with the kid, the
Right.
small one, eh?
Yeah.
Kaya ngunu chiko ba na siya ngunu
Yeah, tabaya.
susud tabay juga.
Right.
Okay, after that, you two both came home.
All right.
While reaching home, mommy forgot her phone and she wants to go back. Will you give mommy the okay?
Talain to lang ni.
What if
Ni mata ni sudo sa ating iba lebi sudo papa.
na tapay ni sudo ito ibale.
Yeah.
Oh, tarati kumanda. Pasudo mo ti kumanda na ngone. O sa di mo
It
tala mata
depends
mo tala
on mommy discipline. Kaya baka mami santo matobi ko miles yung galindende. No way. Mami, stay here. Kaya baka discipline na mami. Lakukan ni pingali sumay. Yeah, kasi on the time.
Daddy, why are you so
okay.
uncomfortable?
So the best option for you
Comfortable,
two,
yung mami na mela.
hold on. The best option for you two is to go together again with the kid.
Oh
to
my
get the phone.
God.
Sapa ka tunay torido bingo. Johnson Rawesi, Kakarabo, Lolo Buchona, Tabale Marika.
Cierto,
Good
bener
morning.
bener taga siempre taga na big cave.
Eh, mama pa.
Ano matalar to melo mendela kayo mendalo lotin pipe taiso.
Apo lewan na berdua. Yan
Hey, to all the
na
mommies and the daddies out there, please, communication, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Pipi talo no, me da
It's
kasi
the way.
matata chico na bitalo na bingo na kita.
Yeah.
Kaya masa senga, na buku-buku ya ne ado.
Iya, kaya kasambe siya mami.
Iya.
Kasambe siya di barong.
Sampai sini barongo. Nada na bunan sini barongo mami na topic
Di satu grupo ko de di stay back. Metala yung doon ang Kasi sabi ala ko ngoko eh.
Iya, mula ko nga muli magkarap pinaka. Malati
Talo
ka
mo di
magkala ko
sa
naman
mga
yes.
Because the phone you just
Because
bought.
that belongs to
If
me.
daddy said, aw nang kay buli bi kuntur
Balita
kabo.
sana nga erto ba nga gara?
Iya.
Erto scan nga, scan through nga lang talmay. Ersa ka ni bari ba kabinaka.
Balita, mami.
Especially when it's not this.
Bala to mami, o mami ni bangga garo ko bangga rasara kana tanga tawdok. Tanga ni taru sis tawdok.
Si Vera insecure ni Teddy. Lako ivale le basudo mo ngale. Wala yan.
Ko kere.
Mai.
Deme si kere ngono ko sa tingu baka sudo mo chico na ngone. Eh?
Mo pa sudo
Muli
mali.
chico. Kesa sa nindo na ngone chico ipale tingu. Tumo brita mo ko ni lelai.
Me.
Me mo baka tobele chico na
Ito mo le meron ko nang tumor.
Eh, ada benar kimin na beo kadi sama chico mai nix rendi ba? Tom baka meaw no di binakan na matakago sa mga ng banube. Oh, ditale.
Nambure
John Kumar.
John Kumar. Nambure balu yan rabinaka. Kalau nga tanah singin nga rabital talangani ko. Kirti ADJ Ram. Bula binaka. O Johnson Robesi. Esem mo bolito kami kung may lolombo. Otsono abale
Yeah.
marika.
Oh,
Doyan rabinaka. O elesi tinay tukana yan rabinaka Tomasin na lumisa.
Oh, ele si.
Tomasin iya na lumisa.
Ada benar ka cinitukana.
Same mo ni paano be. Paano ni ba nakalebo kami nigat sa kanta ni dapat baltong man matapon na ni ko Mel na lebo. Ano ba no lebo Brisbane na balebo na sample to may.
Kito sana pa ni minaka seta ka like